She was humiliated by an arrogant minister for not wearing a lab coat. The psychiatrist in question, Gurmeet Kaur, who has now become a fresh victim of this unending VVIP racism, has decided to fight on, writing a stinging letter to authorities seeking an explanation. Pradeep Datta joins us for more on this now. Pradeep, we understand the lady doctor is not taking this lying down and she is going to fight.
You're absolutely right, because she had made up her mind already. She has lodged a complaint at the Bakshinagar police station, though the police is yet to lodge an FIR. Their viewpoint is that he is a minister. For that they have to take the permission from the chief minister or the speaker. But so far the harassment for this lady doctor continues. She says that she is being harassed. The people are trying that she pressurizing her to take back the complaint. But this is one of the reasons that today morning also she had to face the harassment. She is right now with us. Let's talk to her and find out what exactly going on. Ma'am, what is the situation right now? Why you were harassed and what is the position right now in the hospital?
Sir, I have already told the story about it, that in a function, in an inaugural social function, there was our Minister for Health was there, Mr. Lal Singh, and we also were called for it, just unofficially. Just we went there, and because we wanted to greet our minister, there were lot many people. The BJP workers, the other workers, other general public was there. It was a type of public gathering, and when he was garlanded with the currency notes, with the fulon ke haar and all, and after that cutting the ribbon, we went to upstairs. It was general. I was standing there, and he came towards me and he asked me, "Where is your apron?" Very politely I said, "Sir, nahi pehna," because it was a social. "Kyun nahi pehna?" But very arrogantly he shouted at me, "Kyun nahi pehna?" मैंने कहा, "Sir, because I was so stunned over this, because this was such a minor thing, and he was just shouting at me at the verge of his voice, and मैंने कहा, "Sir, it is a social function, so and I don't think it is required here." So then he said, "Social function है, ये तो official function है, तुम्हारा मंत्री यहाँ पे आया है." Means मंत्री जहाँ पे भी जाएगा वहाँ पे it is mandatory. मैंने sir, even if it is an official function, very politely I said, even if it is an official function, this apron is not our official uniform to be in apron in front of Mantri, because Mantri is coming. So even if there is a social gathering or social function, because it was inauguration of hospital, a newly constructed wing, and he was to cut the ribbon. Otherwise there were so many public, so many BJP Zindabad, Minister Zindabad and all. Then where was it was not an official meeting even. So many
are secretaries supposed to wear the apron? Otherwise also there is a norm that we are secretary.
See, there is a lot of controversy in this. Globally, there is a controversy that psychiatrists generally don't wear apron. Why? Because we have to make rapport with the patient, and patient thinks that the person is in authority, and we cannot treat that patient effectively. So and there are so many incidences where violence has been done by the patient with the doctors. So it is advised.
Are you being pressurized right now to just withdraw the complaint?
Yes, I am very much withdraw, and because of that, what happened that he abused and he shouted and misbehaved with me like anything. He said, "Nikal jao yahan se bahar. Tumhe bulaya kisne yahan pe? Nikal jao yahan se bahar." To my surprise, to my shock, I was just freezed there. I couldn't take breath. I just sat down and say, "Please don't show your arrogance," and I just sat down. I couldn't walk out. He told me to get out of that place. And then after he left the venue, I just came down. I was really very much perturbed and disturbed. I was so mentally harassed. So I went to my home. I couldn't sleep for the night. Whole night I was waking. And then I decided, no, even if I'm a common man, I'm a common person, but that doesn't mean that I should leave my self-esteem. I cannot live without my self-esteem. I would rather like to die. Why should I die? I will go and seek the justice. I went and I asked for I lodged a complaint with the police. Their police didn't lodge my complaint because they said that we have to take the approval of Chief Minister of the legal cell, so that you cannot lodge the complaint against a cabinet minister. But sir, I just went to, because this news spread out the brethren like you came to me, came forward for me, and just became the voice of a common man to fight with this VVIP culture and Marxism and this racism. We cannot tolerate. How much we have to tolerate? Please let me know how much we have to tolerate. Since I'm a common man, so I'm being pressurized. In spite of giving me any respite or anything, on the behest of minister, my explanation was called by a principal, which I have answered back. And today when I went to the hospital to see my patients, because I thought no, I will not go, I went to my workplace. I have to treat my people because all of them, they are calling me, all of them, they are seeking me. I have to do my job. I love my people, I do my job. I went there for work, and they're on the behest of the minister. Everybody is against me, everybody is vindictive against me, and especially the deputy superintendent of the hospital. She abused me, she used derogatory remarks with me that थू करा रही है अपनी मीडिया में आने से. You please tell me, let me know कि मीडिया में आने से क्या थू हो रही है मेरी? What is this? Can I not? Isn't there a freedom of speech? I'm a common Indian, common citizen. मेरा अगर कोई पॉलिटिकल कनेक्शन नहीं है, मेरा कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है, तो क्या मेरे को जीने का हक नहीं है? प्लीज़ लेट मी नो दिस. और शुड आई एंड इतना ज़्यादा मेरे को प्रेशराइज किया जा रहा है. इवन पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर में जो SHO थे, वो मेरे पास आए, और वो 400 लोगों में मैं खड़ी हूँ, और वो मुझे बोलते हैं आपके पास कोई 2 गवाहियाँ हैं जो आपके फेवर में ये बोलेंगे कि आप तब हम आपकी कंप्लेंट को देखेंगे, तब आपकी कंप्लेंट को लॉन्च करेंगे. So is it this कि in full view of public a person is snubbing, a person is abusing? Isn't it enough for the people to understand? आप आज कहते हैं बेटी पढ़ाओ बेटी बचाओ, और बेटी नौकरी करके घर आए, ताकि वो वहाँ पे जो मिनिस्टर, जो हमारे ही चुने हुए नुमाइंदे हैं, वो अपने आप को इतनी ज़्यादा रेसिज्म, इतना ज़्यादा VVIP कल्चर, और हमें वहाँ पे इतना जलील करें कि हम अपने आप की. I'm really perturbed. I'm really perturbed.
You can see this doctor is in a state of shock. She says that she was expecting some kind of a respite after lodging a complaint. But so far, nobody has come to her rescue, nobody from the government side. In fact, harassment for her is continuing. Today morning when she went to the hospital at the behest of the minister, she's alleging that even the senior doctors started misbehaving with her. They say they are trying, she says that she's being pushed to the wall, and things are really made difficult for her, so that she takes back the complaint against the minister, and she wants justice. She had been running from pillar to post since 9th of March so that she can get justice.